salsa step is called the Piso Pico because of the way you point your foot towards the floor. The foot you lift off the floor will always point to the heel of the foot on the ground. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This move can be done to the side, to the front, or while on the move. There's a similarity with the step known as the pachanga you can see with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this move, flexing is very important. It can be combined no problem, basically starting with one foot in front, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point. It also gives us a lot of freedom with our upper body and we can practically add any movement. Floor, point, point, floor, point, floor, point, and mix it up to give a more interesting show. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point. Remember that we always point towards the heel. Point, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point. And if you want to go to the side, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point, and floor, point. If, for example, you want to turn around, floor, point, floor, point, floor, point, floor. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, finish. That's our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more salsa class videos, and we'll see you next time.